Hi guys, we finally made it to the land. What?
What is it? Oh. How's your swim?
What?
How's your swim?
God,
Cold water?
a bit, but look what I got in.
Durans lang.
Yeah, and I had so much fun swimming.
Wala na yung mga taong nagbabote. Parang amin na lahat, oh. And then, merong nagdala ng bago. Okay. Here we go. Okay. And there you are. Picnic. Ibang lake naman to.
Hello. 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 Goodbye. Hello.
May araw pa. May pang pwedeng puntahan. Saan ka pupunta?
Saan ba? Sydney?
Sige.
Sydney ba? O kaya ba? Hindi, mami, maano na. Pwede na tayo pumunta diretso dun.
Diretso Sydney muna.
Sydney muna.
Okay. Different town, Sydney. In just 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Sa katadaan.
Oh my goodness. Cold. Hello everybody. Today, Jan's here and
Yeah.
we're walking right now. We are just walking near the ocean. Can we go forward?
Nanginginig. Tumatay yung balahibo ko sa legs. Siyempre, naka-shorts tayo.
Go for 10 minutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Icicle G yan.
Hello, 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 hello. Guys, I'm going to tell a popsicle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mommy, I want to play.
Go.
Yay!
Do your cartwheel. Kaya niya yan. Bata na talaga. Ang tagal ng bata.
A what?
Cartwheel.
Cartwheel.
Galit na yung balahibo ko dati. Malamig talaga dito.
Kaya natin, kaya natin.
Hindi, tsaka kasi ito pa nabasurahan. Kasi ano,
Daddy, can we get the blanket?
hindi, babalik na tayo sa kotse. Malamig. Hangin eh, mas lakas ang hangin.
Mommy, hold me.
Lumapat ka sa araw. Medyo na nag-even out.
Sa araw.
Dito na tayo sa araw.
Guys, I'm going to turn into a popsicle. 5, 4, 3, 1.
Daryl, there's a wasp on your leg. Right there.
Change.
Look, can I see? Did you video it?
No.
Guys, I'm going to a popsicle. 3, 2, 1. Please walk your bikes. No bikes.
Ano, giniginaw na yung batuting?
Yeah. Yung binti niyan.
You want me to get the...
Halika na, balik na tayo. Dun sa kotse.
Let's go.
Let's go back to the car.
Tambay sa kotse. Ano ba yan? Dito tayo sa may mga, sa town. Town pa nila to. Sa grocery. Punta lang tayo.
Mommy, me, and the tuition because we're gonna smoke later.
Yep. Di ngayon? Ngayon ulit. Magsili tayo ulit.
No, but earlier.
Hold my hand.
You should have changed me into my clothes.
And, kasi you have pants sa ano, sa kotse. Gusto mo magpalit ng pants? Eh, susunduin na lang natin si ate tapos na kanya. Ba? Marunong na magbasa. Very good. Eh, ano yung isa? Fairway Market. Asian store. Asian grocery. Hawak, hawak.
Where are we going?
What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
It's 7:20 p.m. Kasi bumili ng potting mix and then itong roses. Yan. Yung roses kasi rito medyo maganda, ibang klase. Nagsasanga-sanga sa isang stem. Time check. 7:45 p.m. Saan tayo pupunta? Swartz Bay Terminal.
Saan ba tayo?
keep right.
Parking ano?
Parking. Foot passengers. Dito ka lang.
Short term. Tingnan.
Short term nga. Short term.
Keep right. You've
Baba na
entered
ba?
the parking
Ay,
lot
baba
for your
na yung
destination.
sila, yung ferry. Dumating na.
Yun nga yung ferry. Pick up short term.
Pick up short term. Hindi pa sila lumalabas.
Yan eh.
Ngayon pa lang. You call na ate.
Sige.
O call na ate, dito na lang tayo. Ay, may palabas oh. Sa likod mo. No stopping daw. Okay, so waiting na lang. And then that's it for today. Kung saan pumunta. All in one day. It started at 12 noon.
Okay.
Susundo lang.
Hi guys.
We're ending the day.
Ending the day. So,
See you next time.